name's Rupert from Red Bricks Real Estate here in the Waikato, and welcome to 103A Harris Street in Huntly. This 2-bedroom home is of solid construction, being brick and tile, and is ideal for a first home buyer or an investor. So come on, let's take a closer look. This 1940s duplex home is situated on a freehold site of 408 square metres more or less, and includes a low maintenance section. There is a private backyard with single carport, garage shed and room for a veggie garden. The bedrooms are of a good size, along with open plan living dining area and separate laundry. The home has polished wooden floors and higher ceilings than normal, adding character to this cute starter home. Located close to the edge of Huntly, this home has a rural small town feel, with the main street and shops easily located just across the bridge. Thank you ladies and gentlemen for taking the time and watching this video. We'll be selling by way of negotiation, so no fixed price. We have a detailed information pack, so please do not hesitate to contact myself or one of the Red Bricks team to arrange your own private viewing. Thank you.